Ruto is scheduled to visit Nyanza region from tomorrow. Plans are underway in parts of the region to receive the head of state, who will start his working tour in Homa Bay, where he is expected to launch an affordable housing project. He will then visit Kisumu and later Siaya on Saturday. State House spokesperson Hussein Mohammed detailed the president's weekend diary from State Lodge, Kisumu.
Tomorrow, Friday 13th, 2023, President William Ruto will begin a two-day working tour of the Nyanza region that will cover Kisumu, Homa Bay, and Siaya counties. The President will launch several projects that directly impact on the lives of the people, in line with the government's bottom-up economic agenda that places premium, of course, on economic transformation, especially for those at the bottom of the economic pyramid. You will recall that the President was here in October 2022 and made several pledges. Tomorrow, he'll be returning to fulfill some of those pledges. Key among them is the launch of the first phase of the 5,000 affordable housing program for Homa Bay County. The project is expected to not only alleviate the housing deficit in the county, and by housing here we're talking about decent and affordable housing, but also significantly boost the local economy. The project will ultimately cover several towns in the county, including Oyugis, Kendu Bay, and Bita. As the President has said before, because he has launched other projects or such projects before, the affordable housing program, which is a key plank of the government's agenda, and of course one of the killers of the Kenya Kwanza manifesto, is not only about low-cost and decent housing needs, but also meant to create jobs for thousands of youth and stimulate the economy. So for this project, or in this program, just as the others he has launched, and of course he has said this before, housing parts such as doors, windows, gates, hinges, and all other fittings will be supplied by the local Jua Kali associations. This will boost the local